All right, so gluing session number 3 or 4. So I glued this panel. I ground everything nice and clean in the back. Ground these nice and clean. Well, Christopher did actually. Great little helper he is. I scribed this stuff because we got to drill those holes out. So I'm gonna put a clamp on either side of that and drill those out tomorrow. This is all nice and glued. We set it up and marked everything, and we glued this final panel on the dually fender. So now it's just got to set up for 24 hours. It can be unclamped in 4 hours, 90-minute working time, blah blah blah, like I've said a million times. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. It's coming together. Well, see you on the next one. I'll let you know. I'm probably gonna do some paint over rust stuff on all this, and then that'll be it. We'll be bolting the fender on. Video coming soon.